Hi everyone, my name is Emma, I'm a senior, and welcome to Discover Rollins.
Okay, so Discover Rollins is a day full of events for prospective students where we have specialized panels and academic sessions as well as tours.
New faculty, Professor Klein and Professor Brown, who do medical anthropological work. And so what you're going to see is
Hi, I'm Trisha from the Career Center.
Hi, I'm Abby from Inclusion and Campus Involvement.
It's Leon from Residential Life and Explorations.
And Giselda from International Program.
We're here this morning living the dream, meeting future new TARs and their families at Discover Rollins. Woo! Good morning. My name is Leon here. I serve as our Associate Dean of Students. And in my role, I have a couple different areas that I oversee. One includes overseeing our on-campus.
It'll ask for student academic information and then family.
So one reason why you should register for the next Discover Rollins is because you truly get a one-on-one personalized experience. When I was applying, Discover Rollins really gave me an in-depth look at the college and really helped me decide that this is where I want to spend the next 4 years. So our families just left for their last event, which is our Residence Hall dorm tours. So this now concludes Discover Rollins. Make sure to sign up for the next one on November 11th from 12 to 5 by going to rollins.edu/discover.